My dear brothers and sisters in Christ, our topic today is about love. A very familiar word for each and every one of us. Alam po nating lahat, ang love ay isa sa napakagandang karanasan ng tao sa kanyang buhay. At ang pagmamahal na yan ay una nating naranasan sa bisig ng ating mga mapagmahal na nanay. Dahil sila ang nagkatawang tao na pag-ibig ng Diyos. God's love is incarnated in our mother's love. Mahirap paniwalaan na mahal tayo ng Diyos. Pero napakadaling intindihin na mahal tayo ng Diyos dahil minahal tayo ng ating mga ina. We speak about love. We feel about love. We write about love. We sing about love. Para bang lahat ng bagay na ginagawa natin should be permeated by love. Because love is the greatest power in the world. Ang pinakamalakas na pwersa sa buong mundo. It is the power of love. My dear brothers and sisters, ano bang kahulugan ng love na yan? Love acquires so many meaning. Tingnan natin ang love sa mismong salitang love para malaman natin ng another angulo ng kanyang kahulugan. Love is an acronym of L, loyalty, O, obedience, B, voluntary, and E, empathy, and Eucharistic thanksgiving. Isa ito sa napakagandang kahulugan ng love. Love is loyalty. Until death do us part. Ang marriage vows ay isang pangako ng mag-asawa. Isang covenant, tipanan, hanggang sa wakas ng aming buhay. It's not easy to marry a man or a woman. Because when you commit yourself in marriage, it is until death do you part. Love requires loyalty, fidelity sa iyong minamahal, fidelity sa iyong mga tungkulin. It's not a 1-year contract. It is a lifetime contract. Ganun din ang pagiging isang ina. Motherhood is a lifetime commitment. No fringe benefit, no off day, no resignation. It must be very challenging to be a mother. You are a mother 24 hours a day, 7 days in a week. 7/24 commitment ang motherhood. Napakaganda ng motherhood. My dear brothers and sisters, loyalty. Kaya kayo pong mga mag-asawa na nakarating na ng 25 years, 30 years, golden wedding anniversary and diamond jubilee. Wow, we salute you. Your marriage has turned into a diamond with so many facets. Hindi lamang paper anniversary. Hindi lamang wooden anniversary na napakadaling sunugin at lamutakin. When love is turned into gold and diamond, diamond will last forever. At sana ganun din ang inyong pagmamahalan. Isang pagmamahalan na walang hanggan. Sana marami ngayon na magsusot ng infinity ring upang ipaalala sa inyong mag-asawa ng pagmamahal ay walang hanggan. Hindi lamang circular ring. Sana yung infinity ring. The number 8 is a sign of infinity. Just like a circle, walang simula, walang wakas. May your love for one another be walang hanggan. Sana gano'n ang ating pagmamahalan sa isa't isa. pagmamahal sa Diyos, pagmamahal sa iyong asawa, isang pagmamahal na walang hanggan. At kung ito ay wasagin man ng ating buhay sa mundong ito, how sad it is that sometimes death can put an end to our earthly love. And yet the grave is not an obstacle to love, because still we can love one another. Kahit patay na ang asawa mo, he remains alive in your heart. Dahil kapag mahal mo ang isang tao, mananatili siyang buhay sa iyong puso. My dear brothers and sisters, love cannot afford the death of the beloved. Kaya nga nang namatay ang Diyos sa krus, lumuha ang langit at binuhay ng Ama ang kanyang anak. Dahil ang pagmamahal ay nagbibigay buhay. Kapag mahal mo isang tao, bubuhayin mo siya. At isa sa iyong napakagandang pangarap ay manatili siyang buhay, magpasawalang hanggan. When you love a person, you will improve the quality of his life. Hindi mo siya hayaan masadlak sa dusa ng kasalanan o kahirapan. You will see the beloved. Lugod na magligtas. Kaluban ng pepakit ng Santa Monica kayang anak. Hindi yung say kayang anak. Rather, she will save her son. Even it would mean may tumatwalyang luhaing tumulo king mata ng Santa Monica. 50 tuwalya. Bigdo sa Santa Monica king kayang anak. Banay mo nga ligtas. Agustin. Let our love be a saving love. Love is obedience. Alam niyo, one time, meron isang bata nagtanong sa kanyang mami, "Mami, do you love me?" "Naku naman anak, siguradong mahal kita. Nung bata ka, inalagaan kita. Nung nasa loob ka pa ng aking sinapupunan, inalagaan kita. Mula pa sa sinapupunan ko hanggang ngayon, mahal kita anak. Kapag naka-hospital ka, nasa tabi mo ako. Kapag nagugutom ka, nasasaktan ako. Hindi kita hayang magutom. Ayaw kong masaktan ka kapag ikaw ay tumatakbo. Aalagayan kita. Aalagaan kita." May nga pamulalay ang anak ang iman. Kurap-kurap yan. "Talaga ba, mami, mahal mo ako?" "Ko naman anak, bait ka pa anak." And then sabi ng mami sa kanyang anak, "Ikaw ba anak, mahal mo ako?" Sabi ng bata, "Opo mami, love na ka." "Love mo ko? Ba't kasyas mo bunto?" "Eh kayong anak, nang kasyas ko bunto. Hulang lugod, butang masyas ka bunto." Love has come to a point wherein your will is my will. Halitang puros kang kontrapelo kang imam. May nakautos. Panahon ko kontrang miyasawa, mas kinano mo, pipapatay nyo, that is not love. Love is unity of will with the beloved. Kaya nga kahit masakit sa Panginoon, sinabi niya, "Father, not my will, but your will be done." Love is obedient. Mapaminto yung lugod. Kaya mas siya sa bunto. Always willing to serve. Because love is always at the service of the beloved. At your service. You bend your will to one another. Otherwise you break. Because of your hard-headedness. Love is voluntary. Ano ba ang mga bagay ngayon na napipilitan tayo? Ikaw ba'y napipilitan ang magluto para sa iyong mga anak at para sa iyong asawa? Magbulaan ng lugod. Kotang mga pilitan naman. Mga pilitan na kakaringgera yung gathering. Oh, it's so easy to be with one another. Love is voluntary. Pusang loob. Mga pilitan ano. Lalo na rin kaya yung activities bilang may asawa, bilang pamilya. Kung saan napipilitan ka na lamang. Ang feeling mo napipilitan. Ang feeling mo you're obliged. No. It should be voluntary with a smile. Eka mga pilitan. Inyapin nung kinasal ka, eka may napilitan. pusang loob, pakasal ka. It's voluntary to commit yourself for life with your husband or wife. Kaya nga yung singsing ng mag-asawa ay dalawang letrang O, dalawang mukha ng pag-ibig. Sa hirap at ginhawa, isa lang ang sagot, laging oo. Alam no, love takes not no. Love takes no. Hindi, love does not take no for an answer. Laging oo, sa hirap at ginhawa. Otherwise, it will not last. If your love is for better, not for worse. If your love is for health, not in sickness. If your love is for richer, not for poorer, then it will not be until death do us part. It will be until divorce do us part. And we do not believe in divorce. We believe in lifetime commitment in marriage, and this is your martyrdom. Eda kapin peparayang buntok, eda kapin peteking krus, o dinera ka rin pa rin ang mga ragul. But the martyrdom of marriage is until death do us part. My dear brothers and sisters, love is empathy. Kung saan ang nararamdaman mo ay nararamdaman ko. It's not only one mind, one heart, one soul, one body. It is one feeling, and one living, and one being with your beloved. Kapag mahal mo ang isang tao, you become one, heart and soul and mind and feeling. Ang nararamdaman mo ay nararamdaman ko na rin. Ang galak mo ay galak ko na rin. Ang problema mo ay problema ko na rin. Hindi problema mo yan. That's not love. Problema taong atwayan. Pisopan tao. Kaya nga sabi na our sorrows are half when they are shared. And our joys are multiplied when they are shared. It is a sharing of love and feeling. My dear brothers and sisters, as we celebrate Mother's Love, today we honor the great mother of Saint Augustine as we celebrate Mother's Day. Augustine used to call his mother a wonderful woman. And truly our mother are wonder women, because motherhood is a tough 24/7 job with no pay, no day off, and most often unappreciated, and yet resignation is impossible. We salute the strongest and greatest woman in the world. Mother, happy Mother's Day. The first two words that a child mumbles is the word mama, mommy. Mama comes from Mama Reglan. It is the milk of Mama that nourished us to life. And what is the meaning of mother? M is for the million things she gave you and me, for the beautiful memories she gave us and created in our lives. Truly, life is beautiful with a mother. O means only, and that she's growing old. When we were young, they guided our hands and carried us in our hands. Now that they are old, let us guide their hands and carry them in our arms. They prepared us for life. Let us prepare them for eternal life. So, pantalang mag-graduate ng pengari tamo kiniyatong iti. Sinopan na kata, bang mikabiyat tamong masanting. So, pantalang, bang niras laging biye, alam ka. This is for the tears she shed for me, and the precious time she accompanied me. Tears and time stands for letter T. Mga anak, huwag niyo sanang paluhain ang inyong mga ina nang dahil sa inyong kamulangan at kalokohan. It will break your mother's heart if your life is going to the rocks. Sana iyo pakyakan dimping hari. And let us appreciate the time that they accompanied us. Minong kaya beta mo manibatin niyang anak tamo? Dimping hari tamong babay. Miragul tamo ka rin takbe ng imatamo. Migduyan tamo ka rin kanduman daw. Mimyaluman tamo ka rin saya daw. Heda ka tamo likuan. They did not feel bored because they love us. Is our company boring with one another? Ito itong lugod dito. Can you imagine your mom not getting bored being with you? At ikaw pong kaluguran, Rosario, sinesya pangunakana. She tried after 2 hours in Renderia. Pidela nga nakakaking manuyang na. Ito na yung anak mo, napakalikot. Hindi ko kayang bantayan ng maghapon. Sino mo yung Rosario? 2 hours, yan pangunakana. Ulinas na ng kalikot. Dingi mata mo ay na sino ko. Para bantin na katao. Ito ka, they did not give up on us. So let us not give up on them. It is a heart of purest gold. Our best home is the heart of Mom. Listening to her heartbeat. You know, the greatest music in the ears of a child is the sound of his mother's heartbeat. Nanay sa bano, bakit inanak kikyak po ang may panganak na yun? The child is gasping for air. Pero kikyak anak. Paano ito nanay itang the most beautiful sound in the ears of a fetus and in a child is the music of a mother. Yan yung mibay sing anak. E nanitaramdaman, ing pintig ng puso ng iman, kikyak iya, uling panin to nanay man. The child thought that he is severed from the mother. But from now on, ngayon mibay siya, magsantong yaking salo ng iman. Sana rin anak paminsan-minsan, magunang kayo king salo ng imam. Pakiramdaman mo yung kayang heartbeat. May tumiyang mo yung kayang tone. I love you. R means right, and right she will always be in guiding us. Put them all together. They spell the word mother. Happy Mother's Day. As we celebrate Mother's Day, mothers would like to reiterate their Mother's Day declaration today. Here is a Mother's Day declaration. I wanted you before you were born. Bago ko pala may panganak. You wanted me, you loved me. I love you when you were born. I saw your face, and I knew that I was in love before you were an hour old. I knew I would die for you. To this day, I will. And this is the miracle of mother's love. Talaga.